Ayo B. Magaalada ayaa ka Ayo B. Magaalada ayaa
ka wataabay leeyihiin meel ma baqaan meel ay aadaan gurigaan ugu tagaa ka soo garaaco waxa uu halkaan igaga jira scream waa ka wataa madaxa ka soo garaaca qaarkood iga faayo waa ka wadataa ka leexa warwaayo maanta uu ka dacaysan
Ayo B. Magaalada ayaa ka
I know you mad at me, cause you probably hate on Bush family. Yeah, little nigga, that's the team, known to fight like a Navy SEAL and get a kilo of pride from overseas. Please, at ease, you don't want it with the OGs. Got war scars from Medina to Miami, and they know they can't believe. Be making ends to the means, all my niggas in the scene making real cream. Cadillac dream, equipped with high beam, bumping these beats and playing these broads, making these products. Business as usual, we just keep it low key like a bug and creep on any food that's fucking with the boss. When it comes to this cheese, we so hard. Coming back for leftovers, no mercy at all. I thought I told y'all bitch ass nigga before.
Pause, gas, crib, Wakawata. Niggas don't make me peel, Wakawata. My girl, your girl, Wakawata. Your girl's home girl, Wakawata. Haters on the side, Wakawata. Somebody please tell them, Yakawata.
It's the D.C, it's the L-I-V-E. Y'all niggas can catch me roaming the streets of Philly. And you could go up north and catch me in Jersey. On the real, for real, and handle my biz. For the money, Merc man, women, your goddamn kids. That's how it's been, and that's how it is. Fall back, get familiar. I roll with the D-Duff fam. I get it how I can. Middle finger to your Uncle Sam. Listen, man, rigs uphill, but I'd much rather chill. I'm about 30 up, and y'all niggas is nil. Steady cruise controlling on that wheel. I got something ill-matic. Backseat, I got the automatic. Anybody could get it. Hayla حرفتا من عيالك حافظة. عقصدا ليتها عيالك حافظة. hayla حرفتا من عيالك حافظة.
Cars, gas, crib, Wakawata. Niggas don't make me peel, Wakawata. My girl, your girl, Wakawata. Your girl's home girl, Wakawata. Haters on the side, Wakawata. Somebody please tell them, Yakawata.
Get the program, little homie, we've been doing this since you been sucking liquid out your mama's titties. So I tell the whole city bush fat, eyes on the prize, master the game, bushing clean kilos. Every afternoon I'm just 10 breasts, but now I spark with the haters and this sucker ass sissies that wanna sell their soul for some fame and riches. That's what I tell them when I'm low-keying in the city of C-Town, switching on 6-4s, double O-S-O. Am I really I.A.? I'm a show-off nigga cause I'm known for my game. And let me tell you, I got real thug niggas holding down for me, man. It's straight out of Somalia, Mogadishu. Just in case you didn't know though, niggas get freshed up with the beat flavors on like Flavor Flav, and bring back the pain in the game. Now we done did it again.
Cars, gas, crib, Wakawata. Niggas don't make me peel, Wakawata. My girl, your girl, Wakawata. Your girl's home girl, Wakawata. Haters on the side, Wakawata. Somebody please tell them, Yakawata. Yakawata. Ayo B. Magaalada ayaa ka Ayo B.